Good day friends, I am Raj from Sydney. So this weekend I am going to Palm Beach in Sydney. It's in northern beaches. So you are looking at Palm Beach. It's a small, it looks like a small island, but it's not actually island, but it's a small strip. So the lane and the road lane is single lane. Even the parking, you are parking at the single lane on both left and right side. If you are taking your kids and if you prefer to go to the shallow water beach, then this is the best beach with shallow waters. Now some beaches after few feet straight away it will go deep, but this one is shallow and it's very crystal clear water. As you see here, it's very crystal, and you look at the kids, far away from me, but still it's not even knee deep. Look from here, from the top. So you can see here, it's not deep. So if you prefer to take your kids, you can take them here. This beach is very famous beach, and in summer it's very crowded. Always there will be a lifeguard, so it is one of the safest beach. And you can see the rock pool. So if you don't want to be in the beach, you can go to the rock pool. The parking on the left, as you see here, it's just a one strip. So you just park here on the left, all the way on the roads. The left you have to pay, on the right you no need to pay. The left belong to the houses, so but still you have to pay for the parking. The right side parking is free. So if you go early, you will get the free parking. If you come late, then you have to pay. You have to stay in the paid one. So in this clip you will see more clearly. I'm just taking a U-turn. This is the end of the parking, okay? So now you see from here at the left all the houses. The right side is the beach. So the left side are the houses. So the left one you are paying, but the right one you no need to pay. They have toilets here. The beach is a wonderful beach. Toilets and the shops. The south end of the beach, not many restaurants or cafes or bar, anything. If you need something to eat, then you need to go to the other end. There's only one ice cream shop. The van here, there is nothing else. There's a toilet in the middle and the shower also in the middle. This is the beginning of the beach. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.